Nyko portable docking kit. Will it fry my Switch? Let's find out. You're now rocking with Wakama. Let's check it out. Alright, so this should be a fairly easy unboxing, so I'm just going to go ahead and take a look at what you get in the box. So when you look at the back of the box, it shows that it comes with the dock itself. On the dock, looks like you have one USB 3.0 port, and it looks like you have two USB 2.0 ports. You have a USB-C output, and you have an HDMI port. So you also have the tray. I believe it either folds in or stands up. We'll find out. And then you'll have the power cord that comes with it. So all of this is, and you also get an extra HDMI cord as well. So you can never have too many of those. But we're going to go ahead and hook this thing up. We're going to first of all unbox it. Then we're going to hook it up and just kind of check out the ease of use. So let's go ahead and get into this. So when you open the box, pretty much as it says on the back, you get your manual, usual books and stuff. Here is the actual, from what I see here, I think it's a charging block. Yeah, it's a power brick right here. So power brick, once again, should be USB-C, just like the Switch is. So, yep, you get your USB-C charger. I can't get that on camera. But yeah, you got your USB-C, power brick, and you get the actual dock itself. And wow, this dock is actually pretty small. So for those that don't know, I should have said this right up front, but there's controversy surrounding this dock right now, and there's an issue on Reddit where some people's docks were frying their Switches. At least I think they're fried. They basically are saying that it's rendering their stuff useless. So they plug it in and their Switch stops charging. So ultimately, I want to put this thing to the test and see if, from what I read on Reddit, this stuff is happening like immediately. It's not like it use it for a couple weeks and then it all of a sudden happens. So I wanted to see if I could put this to the test. I'm going to put my own personal Switch at stake here. So we're going to see, is this thing worth the money? It's 50 bucks. So it's cheaper than the dock that comes with the Nintendo Switch. That if you bought the Switch dock separately, it is estimated to be about 80 bucks with the power cord and everything. But this one comes with everything for 50. So is it a better buy? We're about to find out. So we're going to go ahead and start hooking everything up, and we'll see how it goes. So I got done playing quite a few rounds of Splatoon 2. I also played Mario Kart right before it. So all these games back to back, and yeah, of course I feel the heat coming from the top. Down at the bottom, there is a little bit of heat because there are some vents down at the bottom of the Switch. But honestly, nothing too overbearing. I think as long as you have this dock put in a place where you can get a lot of vent, definitely don't put this thing in an entertainment center, you know, enclosed off. Makes you want to have it in a place where it can actually vent. Overall, I'm impressed. I put this thing through the stress test here. Yes, I did not play it for several hours or anything of that nature, but I feel confident enough that it will be able to handle gameplay for hours. So, in comparison to the original dock, I'd say give it a go. Ultimately, yeah, it pretty much handled everything. I'm able to charge a controller at that, a Pro controller at that, while I'm gaming on it, charge the 2 Joy-Cons, and I've got it hooked up to a USB dongle for Bluetooth headset. So ultimately, if it's able to do all of that, it's able to do everything I need, and for 50 bucks, I'd say it's a go. You know, and also if anything does happen to it, once again, Reddit did say something about they will basically cover the dock and the Switch. So only setback is if something does happen, you have to wait for all of that. So I take it that, you know, you'd have to wait for Nyko to get in touch with Nintendo to be able to send you. So that's gonna be that's 2 parties involved for you to get your reimbursement. But ultimately, no problems here with mine. My dock seems to be working perfectly fine. Games look even better because I'm actually playing this on a 4K monitor. So, but hey, no worries here, and this definitely has my thumbs up approval. So, check you guys on the next video. Like, share, and subscribe. Peace.